The new LastPass user experience gives you easy access to your digital life so you can store, fill, and share a wider variety of information faster than ever. When you open your vault, the biggest change you will notice is on the left-hand side. Instead of one category for secure notes, you now have each type of item broken into its own category, like payment cards, addresses, and bank accounts. This makes them easy for you to find and edit. The Sharing Center and Security Challenge are now located on the bottom left section. To add a new item, simply click the plus sign on the bottom right corner of your vault. Select which type of item you'd like to create, enter the information, and hit save. Now that this item is saved, you can use it to fill in information across the web, just as you would autofill passwords. When you visit a website, the username and password autofill works just like it always has, but we've made some improvements. When you click on the username field, you'll see the LastPass drop-down where you can select your login information. We are showing all matching credentials in a single view. You'll see your passwords, but you'll also see your form fills as well. We've also added new buttons that allow you to copy your credentials or edit them directly from the in-field drop-down. We've also made improvements to our browser extension. When you are on a site where you have login credentials, we show those at the top of the browser extension dropdown. Or, if you are filling in an address or credit card number, those items will be surfaced on the dropdown as well. Simply click on the item you wish to fill, and there you go. You can also add items like addresses and payment cards directly from the drop-down menu.